I took out the innards of my first chicken I'm going to bake tonight. I'm going to wrap it in bacon and it's going to be so good. But this is the first time I ever did this, and this is my chicken before he's cooked. He is a fat guy. He is big boy. This is big boy chicken.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, see how big he is? Look at that. Big old guy. Hello. Oh, my hips. My hips. Oh, look, he's dancing. Oh, Scarlet. Are you okay? Baby. Here, I made the stuffing, and I'm stuffing him. It's gonna be so good.
Mommy,
Huh?
I'm not.
I'm making the chicken.
Mommy?
Anyways, so I'm gonna stuff him, and it's gonna be really good, huh?
Ew, thank you.
I've put some pearl onions in there, some butter. I've seasoned them up a little bit, milk, and parsley and garlic. It's gonna be good, huh? What? And what's that on Mr. Chicken? We have Mr. Bacon. I'm wrapping this little guy in a whole bunch of bacon.
What are you doing?
Vegetarian's delight. I'm making chicken, remember?
Yeah.
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 Okay, this is Mr. Chicken. He's all done. All nice buttery bacon. Stuffed with great stuffing. Yeah. Alright, well, that's my bird, my first bird.